Switzerland. A journey through nature's most beautiful masterpiece. Switzerland. A place that feels like a peaceful dream in the middle of Europe. It's a country where snow-covered mountains meet green valleys, where crystal-clear lakes reflect quiet skies, and where life seems to slow down in the best possible way. For many travelers, Switzerland is a land of beauty, calm, and timeless charm. It isn't just one of the most scenic countries in the world, it's also one of the most peaceful. Clean, safe, and beautifully organized, Switzerland feels like nature's masterpiece, carefully shaped over time. The first thing you feel when you arrive is the freshness in the air. There's a quiet stillness in the atmosphere. It's the kind of place where every sound, whether it's a soft breeze or distant cowbells, feels gentle. Never rushed. Then come the mountains, the famous Swiss Alps. They rise with majesty and grace, snow-dusted and strong. Some are well known, like the Matterhorn, Eiger, and Jungfrau. Others are quieter, waiting for you to discover them on your own. In the winter, these mountains become a paradise for skiing and snowboarding. Resorts like Zermatt, St. Moritz, and Verbier bring travelers from all over the world, offering snow-covered slopes, warm lodges, and the simple pleasure of a hot drink after a long day in the cold. In spring and summer, the mountains change again. Snow melts into streams, meadows bloom with wildflowers, and hiking trails stretch across rolling green hills. Walking here isn't just about reaching a peak, it's about the peace you find along the way. The colors, the silence, the wide-open skies, they all stay with you, even long after your journey ends. Then, there are the lakes. Switzerland's lakes are like mirrors that catch every color of the sky. Some are big, like Lake Geneva, Lake Lucerne, and Lake Zurich. Others are small and tucked away in the hills. All of them are beautiful. The water is often bright blue or turquoise, so clear you can see the stones beneath the surface. Sitting by a lake here, even doing nothing at all, can feel like the most peaceful moment in the world. The towns around the lakes are just as charming. Lucerne, with its wooden bridges and old-world beauty. Montreux, where flowers line the lakefront paths. And Lugano, with its Italian influence and palm trees swaying beside mountain views. These towns aren't loud or flashy, they're gentle, colorful, and full of quiet surprises. You find small cafes, local bakeries, cozy bookstores, and always a view that stops you in your tracks. Traveling in Switzerland is also incredibly easy, thanks to its world-class train system. The trains don't just take you from place to place, they take you on a journey through the heart of the country. Routes like the Glacier Express and the Bernina Express move slowly and gracefully through valleys, over bridges, and past lakes and villages. It's the kind of travel where you sit by the window and just let the world move by. It's calm. It's scenic. And it's unforgettable. In the heart of the country, you'll find small villages where traditions still live on. Wooden chalets with flower boxes, goats grazing in the fields, and locals who greet you with a smile. In Lauterbrunnen, you'll see waterfalls tumbling down high cliffs into green valleys. In Wengen or Grindelwald, you'll walk through quiet lanes with views of snowy peaks in the distance. These places aren't just beautiful, they feel like they've been waiting for you to arrive. Even Switzerland's cities, like Zurich, Geneva, and Bern, keep that sense of balance. They offer history, art, food, and fashion, but still remain peaceful and clean. Zurich has modern style and calm lakeside paths. Geneva has international flavor and cultural richness. Bern, the capital, has cobbled streets and clock towers that quietly keep time. None of them rush you. They invite you to explore at your own pace. Food in Switzerland is both simple and comforting. The cheese, whether melted in fondue or sliced fresh with bread, feels like a warm hug. The chocolate is soft, creamy, and made with care. Pastries are buttery and fresh, and even a simple cup of coffee by the lake feels like a luxury. Swiss food doesn't try to impress, it just makes you feel good. What makes Switzerland special isn't just the beauty you see, it's the feeling it gives you. It's the way your body relaxes when you're walking a mountain trail. The way your heart calms as you sit by a lake. The sense of safety, of space, of silence. It's a country that teaches you how to slow down. How to breathe more deeply. How to notice small things. It's in the way the sunlight falls on the mountains at sunset. The way the train hums softly as it moves through valleys. The way strangers greet you with kindness, and how the nights are so quiet, you hear your own thoughts. In a world that moves quickly, Switzerland reminds you of something important. You don't need to rush to find joy. Sometimes, the best moments are the quiet ones, the ones where nothing much happens, but everything feels right, whether you're exploring cities, hiking mountain paths, or simply doing nothing by the water. Switzerland welcomes you with calm arms. It offers peace in a world of noise. Beauty in every direction. And stillness in every breath. For every traveler who dreams of finding somewhere pure, peaceful, and quietly unforgettable, Switzerland is not just a destination. It's a feeling. A memory. A reminder that the world can still be gentle, and that sometimes, the most powerful journeys are the calmest ones.